Alright guys, today we're working on a 2005 GMC Envoy. It's got a P1633, which is the ignition zero circuit. I've got our scan tool hooked up to monitor our ignition zero and our ignition one circuits, and our test light here on ignition one. And you can see that it's got an intermittent open. And it actually corresponds to what you see on the scan tool. It's on, and now it's off. On, off. And that is causing a bunch of transmission issues. It uses ignition zero, but as you can see, that is also getting affected. Ignition one is mostly the one getting affected here, and it's supposed to be that ignition zero drops out if ignition one is on as far as the code description, but what I'm seeing is opposite, and I think this is still causing the same issue. So let's go take a look at the wiring diagram, and I'll show you kind of how I got to this conclusion. Alright, so here's the wiring diagram. We have our ignition switch and our ignition zero circuit here. So on this side of the circuit, it looks like we have def deterrent control module, a instrument panel harness connector. We've got a transmission shift lock actuator, the underhood fuse block, PCM, and then here where it goes into the transmission for those solenoids. So there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 points of interest here. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm going to do the repair, and I'll let you guys know what happens from there.